Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your K10 Max drone. Begin by carefully unpacking all components, identifying the drone, remote, and accessories. Fully charge both the drone's flight battery and the remote controller. This typically takes about 90 minutes for each. Securely attach the propellers, ensuring correct orientation. Finally, download the K10 Max application onto your smartphone, as it is crucial for advanced features and camera control. Before your first flight, choose an open, outdoor area clear of obstacles. Place your K10 Max drone on a flat, level surface. Power on both the drone and its remote control. Connect your smartphone to the drone's Wi-Fi network, then launch the K10 Max application. Perform a quick gyroscope and compass calibration through the app, ensuring stable flight. Once confirmed clear, gently press the one-key takeoff button on your remote for an automatic, smooth ascent to about 1.2 meters. Now airborne, the left joystick controls altitude and rotation. Pushing it up or down adjusts height, while left or right turns the drone's direction. The right joystick manages forward, backward, and sideways movement. Engage the altitude hold function for stable hovering, allowing you to focus on directional control. Practice these movements in an open area to build confidence. The K10 Max also features a one-key return function, which brings the drone back home. Use this in safe, unobstructed environments. To land your K10 Max drone, slowly bring it down using the left joystick, or press the one-key landing button for an automated descent. Ensure you land on a flat, clear surface. Once landed, immediately power off both the drone and remote control. Remove the battery from the drone to prevent overdischarge and ensure its longevity. Finally, store your drone, remote, and all accessories neatly in their original carrying case, protecting them until your next exciting flight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.